If you sell on Amazon or Shopify, stop scrolling. I just found a tool that can take a raw product image and turn it into a complete professional product listing just with one sentence. Let me show you how this is possible. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Design Kit so you can turn that raw image into a perfect product listing with one sentence. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm officially logged into the website of Design Kit right now. So please make sure that you go to designkit.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So you have your home here, your recents, and then even a workflow kit. You have all of these AI tools right here. As you can see, the AI photo editor, background remover, AI object remover, image enhancer, and the AI background generator. And you have all of these images or product videos, model generation, and much more that you can go and try. They have a library where you can pick and choose and you can customize. But in this video, I'm going to be focusing on people that actually sell products on Amazon or on Shopify. And I'm going to show you how you can actually make a sales ready product listing by using Design Kit. And you can literally do it by uploading an image and using a single sentence. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be coming here to listing image. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to just replace the keyword with the word Coke because we want to make an advert or a few images for Coca-Cola. So I'm going to replace the keyword with Coke. I'm going to click send, and then I will show you all of the images that Design Kit creates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the same Coca-Cola can that I uploaded previously. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that one sentence a little and show you that you can get a way different result. I didn't even have to go and upload this. I could have honestly just pasted it in like this. Generate a full listing image set of the soda can on a wooden table at a beach bar with sunlight and palm trees. And as you can see, this is the result. So they created 4 images for me literally within a couple of minutes by just replacing the keyword with the keyword that we wanted. And in this case, it was the word Coke. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the home page and then I'm going to show you a couple of features that Design Kit still offers all of you guys. So I asked it to generate me 4 images and this is the result that we got. So as you can see, we got this one on the beach. Right there, someone having a barbecue and a nice sunny background. We have it in an office space there as well and a picnic as well. So there we go. We can zoom in a little and then you can see the Coke is on the beach with a towel right there, some sunglasses, a palm tree in the background, and it looked really, really kind of professional. So the next image, as you can see, the barbecue where it's on the table here in the foreground with some meat at the back and some people enjoying their time in the sun. So that is one scene that we specifically wanted. And then we have this office area, as you can see, the laptop, a printer, and some utensils in the space. So it shows where this product is used as well. If we go to the last image, you can see that it is a picnic one. So you can see the picnic basket and the forest or the woods in the back. So these are the 4 images or the results that I got from just replacing that keyword with the word Coke and then describing a little bit about the scenes that I want. As you can see, if I click here, we can see the different models that they have available. So they have Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, and then all of the different ones with the video and image. And as you can see, if we click on Nano Banana 2, we will see that it will create different images. It will be way more in detail. Will have better textures and the image quality will just be overall better in every aspect. So that is great for e-commerce brands. It's actually huge because you don't have to go and type in what style you want every single time because it will remember your style and make sure that it matches every time. Like when we went from the blue lighting to the sunshine scene. Okay guys, so if you sell online, this is quite a big deal because you can get different catalog images or emotional lifestyle content within one session. You don't have to go and physically do a shoot. You can literally upload pictures and tweak them to your style so they can match and represent your e-commerce brand. This is really a game changer because you don't have to go and do lifestyle shoots. You don't have to wait for a product launch. You don't have to wait weeks for that. You can literally do it within a couple of seconds. You can go from that raw image to a perfect product listing or a catalog where you can just post it and have it ready for your e-commerce brand. So that is literally how easy and simple it is to use Design Kit. If you want to turn your raw product images into sales-ready product listings, click the link below and check out Design Kit. It will be in my bio. It's completely for free, so go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.